Hello guys, welcome everyone. My name is Samuel Awoyemi. Welcome to Fun Tech. In today's video, I'm going to talk about tech that means that it has to do with Airtel. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Airtel app. So the first method that I did, I make sure that I've downloaded the app on my Google Play Store, and I came here to input my phone number to get started. So now I'm going to input my phone number here to get started. Make sure that you download the app and log in through your home screen. So I'm typing the phone number that I want to use to log in. So Airtel is going to send me a verification code to log in, to allow me to log in. So I'm requesting for so Airtel is going to auto verify your OTP that has been sent to your phone number. So the first thing that I did here, that when I'm doing this, the SIM card, that the phone number that I use is not with this phone. So I open the phone number. So I inserted it to my phone. So that is when they are going to approve it. So that is when they approve my login. So I want to check here. Maybe they have sent an OTP to me, but no OTP being sent here. So let's begin the journey of verification on Airtel. So yeah, I pause. This is when I want to insert SIM. You can see. This one I want to insert SIM. So I've logged in again after inserted it finish. So I've typed the phone number again. So they are going to verify now. So guys, I'm waiting for an OTP here that is being sent to this phone number. So that is what I'm waiting for. And they are going to send a verification code to this phone number. No need to import the phone. I think yes was a mistake, like it has reached the timeout for maybe like 10 minutes or 5 minutes, I don't know, but I have to request another OTP. So you are going to see the step by step that I used to do it here. So is okay, SIM detected. You can see the time out, and then I resend OTP again, and that is when they approve my login in 1 seconds, in like a seconds, maybe 5 seconds or 10 seconds like that. You can see SIM detected. Let's board you now. So you can see they have sent the verification code. So they log me in automatically. This is not needed. You are going to cancel it, and let's get into how you can use your Airtel app on your mobile device. So, and the benefits of having this app, I'm going to show you. If your NIN is not linked to your phone number, you can link it on your app device, on your Airtel app on your device. You can update it here just by simply importing your 11 ID number, and they are going to approve it at once. And you can see here is base plan. You can even buy a data plan here. You can anyone here combo. You can see Xiaomi bundles. That is the benefits of having this app, and this app is great. They are going to give you a free data if you are using this. So that is the benefits. You can see Airtel 5G, Airtel 4G Wi-Fi. So you can buy bundles, submit ID, borrow airtime. You can even play game. Can open another maybe some account that is being connected, smart cash account, can open it through here. So these are the benefits of having Airtel app on your mobile device. So that is how the this app is great, and the useful of this app. Having it, you are going to really enjoy it. I have been using it for a year now, so it's really great. And I hope the data is not connecting very well. That is the issue that I have with Airtel. Is only data that is frustrating. So I recommend that you should use Glow Neighbor. Can see here I'm checking my info, maybe it's correct or it's not correct. So you can see I'm even check out Airtel 4G Wi-Fi, maybe it's correct too. Maybe okay, what is there? So that's about that. And I can even check my airtime balance. Can see 922 naira. Can check it out. So whenever you went to somewhere, so I'm going to see you in my next